Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to talk about AI generation tools. As you can see in the background, I have a specific website. It's going to be called Leonardo. Now, I'm going to show you this one so you can have a grasp on what I'm talking about regarding AI generation tools. Because technically, our real topic for here is going to be Midjourney. I'm sure that you've heard about it on the AI generation tool community. So, this video is all about Midjourney, okay? So before we get started, I'm gonna ask you kindly to get a piece of paper. A pen, a pencil would do, as long as you can write down notes. If you don't have that or you don't want to write down notes using your hands or a pencil, just open up your handy dandy notepad on your PC, laptop, or even your Mac, okay? So it should be looking like this one. Write down notes steps by step because there are steps here. What I mean is that should be followed accordingly. So you're gonna have the best output when you try this video or tutorial on your own. Okay, before we get started again, as you can see here, I'm using Microsoft Edge. If you want to use Google Chrome, Safari, Opera, that is perfectly fine as long as you have access to the internet, okay? Now let's get started. So as you can see on my background here, I have Leonardo.ai. It's one of the tools that generates images, even videos from keywords, phrases, sentences that you type in. It's just like any chat GPT there that generates video, images, or even portraits. So, to log here, just go to this website. It's going to be Leonardo.ai and just click this launch app. Once you click on this launch app, you're going to ask for an email, a login credentials. So let me just cross that one out. Before we get started here on this specific Leonardo.ai, make sure you have an active Gmail address. That's the one I used here. You can use it. It's a very simple way of logging. You don't have to save a password. You don't have to create an account for Midjourney or Leonardo.ai itself. You just have to be active on your Gmail. So once logged in, please take note on the 150 coins over here. This is gonna be the payment that we need to pay each images we generate. Take note that you can upgrade this within the 24 hours. If you finish 150, you can upgrade and buy coins. But every 24 hours it generates or regenerate or replenish. I mean that I'm not sure how much, but I think 20 or 100 per 24 hours. Now moving on, what do I mean by image generation AI? As you can see here, there are a lot of showcases here, images. As you can see here, it's gonna be Grim Hemsworth. That's Thor, right? Okay. Please take note on the bottom part. This is the description. A guy or a girl tricks lift or the user tricks lift input. It's gonna be Chris Hemsworth as a barbarian from Dungeons and Dragons, lean muscles, D&D in style of a realistic, so on and so forth. Let me just click on that one so you can read the exact prompt details. So the input here is this one, and this is the output. Now, what I like about Leonardo the AI is that you can copy the prompt, you can remix. Now the remix is gonna be AI based. You don't have to type anything. Just click on this remix button. You're gonna have a different photo, a different input, but on the same content. Okay? So, you can download this one, you can share without even paying. There isn't any royalty fee or copyright issue with this one. Okay? By the way, you can also follow the user and so on and so forth. Now, what are we waiting for? Let's just create our own generated AI. So please pay your attention on this left side screen, the AI image conversion or generation. Click on it and you'll be redirected on this platform right here. As you can see, I already have a few samples here that I tried on my own. Now let's just type in, let's just say Robert Downey Jr. Because Chris Hemsworth was earlier, right? Let's just type in Robert Downey Jr., Iron Man, Cyberpunk, or Steampunk. Let's check it out. Before I click on enter, please take note on the left side of the screen there are parameters for metrics. Number of images, you can choose 1, 2, or 3, or 4. Now, if you choose 4, the coins that will be deducted on your pool will be greater. Of course, if you choose only 1, it would be less. Prompt magic, this would be high quality output. Contrast, of course, this is just an edit feature, and so on and so forth. This is the most important thing, the image dimension. Please make sure to choose the specific resolution that you want for your output or image. Again, You just this settings right here, it's up to you. I cannot really say which is the best. It's by on your preference. However, please take note on this one right here. You can even upload an image that linear.ai that can be generated as an image by AI. You don't even have to type in here, just upload one, and then linear.ai will make it better from here on out. However, let's just type in this one. Let's just click on generate. Let's wait for it to finish. As you can see here, you are currently on a free plan. Free plans are technically not on priority generation, so we have to wait for linear.ai to be a little bit free before output is here. As you can see, it only took us 10 seconds or 8 seconds before output is here. So free plan is actually good. Now this is the output that we got from this specific input. It's gonna be Robert Downey Jr., Iron Man, and Steampunk. Let's just play it with a little bit more Iron Man, Steampunk. Now click on generate, easy as that. As you can see here, my coins have been deducted for one photo. That is a total of 4 coins. Again, reset in 10 hours. I think every 24 hours, it's gonna be 100 coins. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And again, this is Iron Man on Steampunk. Looks pretty cool, right? You can download it by on this click message, or you can even remove the background. It will only cost 2 coins. Let's try it. So linear.ai is really good. It's really user friendly. Now, I took you here. I showed you this one because this is the idea of video generation AI. Now, let's go back to the real topic here. Let's just remove this one. The real topic on this video is going to be Midjourney. It's the same content, it's the same process. This is also a video or photo generation AI tool. Now, why did I show Leonardo earlier? Because as of now, Midjourney as of now on this date of June 28, 9:39 p.m., Midjourney is currently on maintenance. The servers are down, you really can't access the servers. I'm going to show you how to access them and then keep on trying until you can access the Discord server. So this is going to be the link that you should click. This is your landing page again. It's the same one. Just click on inputs and you're going to have your outputs. So please click on this button right here, home. Make sure you're logged in by the way. And this is also a paid plan if you want. However, try on the free one first. Just test the waters. Now once you're on this landing page, please click on Discord. You heard it right. This Midjourney requires a Discord application or a Discord account. It's as easy as creating a Facebook account. Just use your Gmail. Make sure it's an active one. So click on Midjourney right here. Now click on I am human. Just finish this captcha right here. Click on those edibles cakes. Give it a second. As you can see here, Midjourney is down, unable to accept invite. I've already did my research. For 2 months now, or a month I think, Midjourney is down and are not accepting newcomers. So I just showed you Linear.ai earlier so you can get a grasp on what video or photo generation AI is. And now, this is how you log in on Midjourney. Just keep on trying. If the servers are not down anymore, log in on this process and you'll have Midjourney on your own. Okay? Now one more thing that you can try is click on no thanks right here. Click on this add server or explore servers right here. As you can see, you can click on Midjourney on the very first featured communities. You can view Midjourney as it is. However, you cannot join. This is the preview mode. If you click on that one, you'll go back on the captcha earlier. You cannot join. Midjourney isn't accepting any more invites as of now. I think their invite policy is down as of now, so we just have to wait for it to be open again. Anyway, that's how you log in on Midjourney. I hope you enjoyed the video and please hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.